Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Hulu. So let me take you to the website, which is hulu.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Hulu is a leading streaming platform that offers a vast library of TV shows, movies, and original content. It provides next day access to episodes from major US broadcast networks like ABC, NBC, and Fox, making it ideal for staying up to date with current shows. User can choose between ad-supported and ad-free subscription plan, along with an option to bundle live TV. With a user-friendly interface and diverse content selection, Hulu caters to a wide range of entertainment preferences. So what you're waiting for? If you're from USA, you might want to buy subscriptions of Hulu if you don't already have. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Hulu. Possible? Why not? We simply join the affiliate program of Hulu, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of Hulu? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of Hulu's affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Hulu in order to receive commission? You will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from USA consumers. Alright, so how do you join the affiliate program of Hulu? For that, let me take you to the website called Flex Offers. Now, what is Flex Offers and what does that have to do with Hulu? So Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Hulu, we should join Flex Offers as an affiliate. Now, Flex Offers call affiliate as publishers and brands as advertisers. So don't get confused. How do you create an affiliate account with Flex Offers? Simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, click on Sign Up under Publisher and Affiliate and complete the registration. I understand there are many nuances involved when completing the registration form or even using the account. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account of Flex Offers. Once you got yourself an account with them, simply come to the homepage once again, hover over login, click on publisher login, enter your credential, and get to your affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Hulu. But the focus of this video is simply Hulu or rather the affiliate program. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you have to come to the left hand side menu bar, click on advertiser and click on advertiser search. It will take you to the section. Over here, you can scroll down to the advertiser search widget and type in Hulu with an advertiser program name. So once you have typed in, select Hulu from here and click on search. What this will do, it will show you the tile of Hulu. Over here, you would be able to see all the different details available, like payout description. So the payout is $1.6 for select transaction, restrictions apply. And to see this restriction, you can click on view program term. It will open up these details. And within this cells, that is $1.6, you can click on this drop down icon. It will provide all the other details. So these are different subscriptions available for Hulu. And if the consumers are buying any of these subscriptions, you would get $1.6, assuming it's coming from the United States consumer. And to have more details, especially about the terms and condition, you can click on show just beside terms and condition. It will show you all the terms and condition. I suggest that you read this for better understanding. Once you have read it all, you might want to close it and you might want to select your traffic source for which you want to apply to their affiliate program. So let's say I want to apply for my YouTube channel. I'm going to select my YouTube channel as my traffic source and I'm going to click on apply with selected. Same way you can select your traffic source and then click on apply with selected. And once you're here, just click on yes, I agree to the terms and conditions above, and then click on apply to the program. When you do that, your application to the Hulu affiliate program team would go. They will see whether you're good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. Once you have been approved, you'll be notified by an email, or you might want to check it after a couple of days or after a couple of weeks time. And how do you check it? You again come to the Flex Offers affiliate dashboard, click on advertiser, go to advertiser search, and this time instead of searching Hulu, simply select application status as approved and then click on search. Over here, you would be able to see Hulu listed, assuming you have been approved by them. So these are all the brands that have been approved by. In your case, if you have been approved by Hulu, you would be able to see them listed here. Once you have been approved, then what? Then you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create or get your tracking link? For that, you have to click on home from the menu bar. It will take you to the home page. Over here, if you scroll down, you will see this widget, quick link generator. You have to select advertiser here as Hulu, but since we have not yet been approved by Hulu, I'm just gonna go with Levi's so I can show you how exactly you can create your tracking link. So you can select your approved brand, in our case Hulu, and then you can select your traffic source. You can give in the landing page URL that you want to convert to tracking link. Let's say I want to convert this homepage link to a tracking link. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to come here, and within landing page I will mention that link, and then I can click on generate. What this will do, it will create a tracking link for me, which I would be able to see in here. But in our case, it did not work because I selected Levi's and tried to create the tracking link for Hulu. But in your case, it will create or generate the tracking link, which you can copy and share with your audience or your traffic. Let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use existing tracking links. For that, you might want to look at the menu bar once again from the left hand side, click on links, and this time go to link search. It will take you to the section. Over here within link search section, you can select the traffic source. I'm going to go with my YouTube as traffic source. Within advertiser search, you can select Hulu, but just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Levi's once again. Then let's assume that you want to get a banner links for Hulu. You might want to select banner, otherwise go with text or widget links. Now, usually brands do not provide widgets link much, so you might be able to get banner or text link. Let's say you're interested to get banner links. You can select banner from here. You can select Hulu from here and then click on search. What this will do, it will show you all the available banner links of Hulu if Hulu would be providing. So once you see the banner links, you can simply click on view link. Let's say instead of Levi's logo, you would see Hulu logo here and you're interested to promote them through their logo. You can click on view link and you would be able to see three options here. First will be the link, so you can copy and share it with your audience, your traffic. Second, if you click on link drop down, you can select HTML. You will be able to see the HTML link code, which you can integrate from the backend of your website. And then the third option is the image. So you can select the image, you can copy the image URL and maybe integrate it with your website if you like. But only these two options will be able to track your performance. The first link and the second HTML. And apart from it, you can shorten up the link. You can make this a deep link, add sub IDs or associate it with a campaign group. If you want to learn more about it, you might want to watch the video that I have in the description, which is how to create and use FlexSurfer's affiliate account. But assuming you now have learned how to create or get your tracking link, the next question arises, where can you promote Hulu? So there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got. If you feel like promoting Hulu on the homepage is best suited for your audience, go ahead with it. Or maybe choose a category page, totally up to you. Second is blog. Blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog posts about different TV shows, movies, or other stuff. And you might want to put your tracking link somewhere within blog posts. So when people would read, they'll click on the link. If they will end up buying the subscription of Hulu, you could get $1.6 for that. Then we got social media. Social media could be great here because you could create videos, reels, posts, and talk about different shows available out there. I put your tracking link somewhere either in the description or in the comment section. This way people would read or watch or go through with that content. And if they like it, they can click on that link and buy the subscription of Hulu. Fourth way, which I feel like is more suited here, is the entertainment website. Now, people would come to these kind of website to explore entertainment option, correct? Now, as an affiliate, if you have entertainment website, you might want to host Hulu somewhere on your website, maybe create a standalone section for Hulu shows and integrate tracking links for Hulu on that specific section of your website. So this way you can attract people to click on those links, buy the subscription of Hulu. In return, you get commission. So you started promoting Hulu and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the Flex Offers affiliate dashboard once again and look at the left-hand side menu bar. This time, click on reports and go to performance. Over here, select your traffic source, select date range and trend and generate the report. You will be able to see your performance down here. To see all the transactions, Instead of selecting performance, you can click on transaction details. Again, select all the filters from here, click on generate. You would be able to see transaction details. Then we got account balance. If you want to see accumulated commission in your FlexOffers account, you can come to the section account balance within reports, and you can click on view balance after selecting your traffic source. Here you would be able to see track, pending, and approve commission. So approved commission is what FlexOffers have received from brand, and you can expect FlexOffers to issue this commission to you. And to receive this commission, you must update your payment details. And how do you update your payment details? For that, you look at your account number from the top right hand side and click on this drop down. From here, click on payment settings. It will take you to the payment settings page. Over here, you can enter your address details, and then within payment method, you can select any of these payment methods. You can go with local bank transfer, wire transfer, and give your banking details. You can go with check and give your details, or you can go with PayPal and give your PayPal details. Totally up to you which payment method you want to go with. If you like, you can also hold your payment. And after that, you must select your tax form and then complete the other prompts. Once you have successfully completed all these 4 steps, your payment settings are updated and you can expect to receive commission from FlexOffers. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Hulu. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Hulu. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.